Welcome! Upon import from Excel to Power BI, watch out for strikethroughs. Here I have the original Excel and the original Power BI import. In Excel, strikethroughs are created through the formatting functionality and are typically used to highlight to the reader that the item scored through is to be deleted. Here we have a name change of a department from marketing to media. Through viewing the strikethrough, humans may understand that the marketing department's name has been changed to media. However, upon import to Power BI, formatting is ignored by Power BI. So in this example, Excel shows this name change, but Power BI interprets this as marketing media, as the strikethrough is not recognised. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.